In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos in Notion. This is a handy skill to have, as it can greatly enhance the appearance of your notes and projects by making them more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you want to include an illustration, a photo for a project, or just add some personal flair to your Notion workspace, inserting images is a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're on the page where you want the photo to appear. It's important to know where you want to place your image, as being organized will help keep your workspace clean and functional. Once you're on the right page, simply hover your mouse over the area where you want to insert the image. Keep an eye out for a small plus sign that appears on the left side of your screen. This is your cue to click. Clicking the plus sign opens up a menu of options. This menu is essentially a toolkit of all the elements you can add to your page. What we want here is to add an image, so in the search bar of this menu, type in image. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Image to proceed. Now you have three options to consider for adding your photo. You can upload a file, which is ideal if you have the image saved on your computer. If this is the case, clicking Upload will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to browse through and select the desired image file. The second option involves using an external link. This is quite useful if the image is hosted on an online platform. To do this, simply copy the URL of the image and paste it when prompted. Finally, there's the option of browsing through Notion's stock platforms. This can be quite a convenient feature if you're looking for royalty-free images and want to spruce up your page with professionally created visuals without the hassle of navigating to other sites. And that's it. Once you've made your choice and the image is added, you can move it around or resize it to perfectly fit your page's layout. Noticing how seamlessly images integrate with your text and other elements should make organizing your content both aesthetically pleasing and easy to read. Hopefully, these simple steps have made the process of adding photos in Notion a lot clearer, and you find it easy and enjoyable to enhance your pages with some eye-catching visuals. Wasn't that straightforward? Go ahead and try it out yourself. Adding images can truly bring your Notion projects to life. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to join us next time for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital workspace.